Hi guys, and welcome back to Toy Hunter. So today we're going to be featuring the Merciless wave set. So on my previous video, I've just unboxed the Merciless Build-A-Figure, then formed him, and now we're gonna be unboxing the whole Merciless wave set. Of course, you've got Robin Earth 22, the infected Superman, the Batman who laps with wings, and of course the Batman. We're gonna be unboxing them, so just sit back and relax and stay tuned, because you're gonna see how beautiful, how great these figures are, just how well detailed these McFarlane has done a great job creating these DC superheroes or DC action figures. So let's not waste any time. Let's unbox the toys, the DC multiverse. Okay, here's the Merciless. Okay, now, so first we're gonna be opening so which one shall it be? Okay, let's pick up Superman. We're gonna be unboxing first the Superman, okay? Or I'm just gonna be unboxing them at the same time and show you how they, what do you call this, how beautiful or how articulated they are. So okay guys, we've just removed the infected Superman from the box, and let's see how cool and awesome this toy is. Okay, let's see. Okay, sub crunch. Yep, you can move just like the Merciless. You can move and just like the previous Superman. Okay, just look at the face. See how detailed is the face with the teeth up. This is where McFarlane is a champ. See his face. Look at that smile. Probably infected by the Joker venom, or the Joker poison, I mean. At first I thought McFarlane was building the Bizarro, but it was not. It was the infected Superman. Okay, see how great he is. His form and with his damaged cape. Okay, here's the back. Okay, so the only accessories he had are his alternate hands. Okay, got left and right. You can replace them by pulling this one up. Okay, see, you can see this, and replace him with these hands. Okay, now see. Okay, and the other one, let's remove the closed piece, and let's put his alternate hands, the open piece. Okay, there you go. See, okay, how great this figure is. Okay, his head articulation. Let's check his head articulation. Okay, great. See, he can fly just like Superman. This figure is truly awesome. Truly one for the books for a Superman action figure. Probably one of the best. Okay, now let's do some different pose. Let's see how high his hands can raise up. Okay, there you go. Let's see the legs part. Okay, the split. He can split that way. Okay, this is the part that's split. Okay, now let's compare him to the first Superman that McFarlane released, the ordinary Superman. Okay, let me show you the box first. I didn't remove the trading card because it's just the same. I would like to keep it in the box. It's just like it was just the same as with the back cover of the box. Plus, it only includes the stand, unlike the Superman, the previous Superman. He got his light stand. Okay, let's compare him. This is the this is Superman. Let's see if it's taller. Okay, it's the same, although the infected Superman is bulkier compared to the first Superman. I still like them though. He could fight them, use them for fighting each other. Or perhaps if you like to modify this, you can use this infected Superman as a Bizarro. Those who like to customize toys probably will be using this one as Bizarro, or let's probably wait for McFarlane to release Bizarro. Okay, there you go. Now let's move up to the next toy. Perhaps we're gonna be unboxing Robin Earth 22. Okay guys, so guys, here is Robin now. So I've unboxed him, and let me show you the back of the box first. So here is the back of the box with the Batman laps and the other Robin, which the Joker or the Batman who laps poison. Okay, let's go back to the toy. So here is the toy. Here's Robin Earth 22. Okay, this is the variant that I got. So later I'm gonna be showing you the other two variants. I've learned that the Robin Earth 22 has three variants. So this is the one who is smirking. But one thing I like about this is, as you can see, it does put down his head and then put up his head and start to laugh. Okay, let's see how great the teeth are. Okay, nice job. Okay, nice paint job. Nice detailed job for McFarlane. No repetition of the other parts of other toys, unlike Hasbro, who's using the same body for different characters. Okay, let's see the back. This is the whole Robin. Oh, one thing I noticed is that you cannot put stand Robin straight up, because he has this his knees are just bended like this. You cannot put him straight, so it's just like this. You can always stand up like this. You can always stand up like this. He'll just be standing up just like this. And one thing that's the only accessories he have is the chain. It's just a chain. Okay, so let's see how high Robin can go. Okay, this is how high. The split, he gets short here. This is how Robin splits, not that much, but if you bend him like this, you can put him. Okay, let's see. Okay, the ears, just like a zombie. Okay, zombie Robin, just like a zombie Robin. The poison Robin. Okay, I love this figure. Okay, I just have to find a way to make him stand on his own. Okay, perhaps bend him like this. Okay, there you go. Oh, bend his knees. Let's bend his knees. Okay. Sorry about the listening puppies again. Can bend his hands like this. Okay. There you go. That's how Robin goes. You got black cape. Okay. Plus, okay, there you go. Probably Superman can carry him. While, okay, I'm gonna use the light stand. They're just too heavy. You can only carry one. Or perhaps I have to adjust it. Okay, but you can see it. Okay, there you go. Using the light stand, you can post them or display them. You can post them or display them. Nice. Okay, now let's open the other two. Okay, which one shall I choose first? Batman or Batman Labs? Okay, I'll open the Batman Labs next. Okay guys, before we proceed with the Batman Labs, these are the variants that I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see I've got the one who smirks, the other is the one who laughs, and the last is the one who screams. Okay, as you can see on the screen, they also do have different set of hairstyle. So if you have enough money, or if you want to collect all the three variants, collect them, because Robin is a hard to find figure now. Okay, some are selling him doubling the price, but without the Build-A-Figure part. So if you're in for a thrill to hunt all the three Robins, better do fast. Okay guys, here now is the Batman Labs. The second Batman Labs figure from McFarlane. Okay, let me show you the back of the box first. Although I've shown you this one on my previous video. Okay, just look at the artwork. Okay, take it from the comics. You see, this is also the card. Okay, the one we got on the card, the trading card. Okay, although this picture is not suitable for young viewers, so viewer discretion is advised. You see the trading card. So the only accessories that the Batman Labs have is his wings. Okay, one thing I like about these wings is that the wings are very detailed. You see those lines on the wings? This is a winner. A very detailed figure. McFarlane's totally done a great job. Okay, one thing like this. Okay, see, you see, very detailed indeed. You can see that. Okay, let me put it closer. You see the feather lines on the wings. Okay, comes in left and right. Okay, so the Batman Labs. A lot of you are requesting to unbox this, so you see it. I've unboxed it now. So the difference, okay, from the first figure is this one. You can see his tongue. Okay, and his gums. Oh my god, look at that figure. Isn't it nice how detailed this figure is? And his horns, okay, his horn. Oh, still with the leather suit. Okay, this one's probably because of the wings, okay, that the Batman Labs uses. Still the same old detailed hands, okay, although this time it's a different paint job. So later I'm gonna compare it to the first Batman Labs figures. So just gonna show you first his articulation. Okay, let's okay, although you cannot maximize his arms because of the clothing here, or the plastic part. You can only raise it up until here. Okay, see, only raise it up until there, but you can only split until here. Although this one I think splits better than the second one, than the first one. Okay, tattered clothes. So here is the back. Okay, this is where you put his wings on. Okay, the hands. The hands are not the same as with the first. You see? So each product is different from each other. Okay, unlike, you know what I'm talking about, Hasbro. McFarlane's done a great job. Okay, now let's try on putting the wings. I believe that this one is for the right arms, I think. So this, I think this is for the left wings. Okay, gotta snap it there. Okay, there you go. Okay, although the joints are that hard. Okay, there you go. Let's put in the, okay, da 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 da. You see his wings? You can still adjust it. Yes. Okay, with this circular motion, you can adjust his wings, the size of his wings. Okay, let's see. There you go. You can adjust it. Plus there, the wings. Plus it doesn't snaps out easily. Okay, you need the stand here. You need the base stand because I don't think he can stand on his own. We're gonna try. Okay, there you go. Just put him there. See how beautiful it is when he spread his wings. Okay, now let's get the first figure and compare this figure. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, all teeth. It's just teeth. Okay, no tongue. Okay, this one I'm talking about, tang, teeth. Okay, the red circle for the wings. Okay, just change clothes. Okay, see the see the leather hands. Okay, these are probably just the same, but with a different fate. Plus the hands are different. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, I think the hands are, no, it's different. Oh, okay, let's see. It's different. This one is a little bit more open compared to the first, but still this figure is a winner. This figure is a winner. Till this, the Batman Labs, great figure. It's really one worth collecting. So probably in the near future, probably raise his value. Okay, let's see the head. Okay, this is his articulation. Okay, the abs. Okay, that's one thing that the Batman Labs doesn't have. he doesn't have the ab crunch, same as with the first one. He doesn't have this ab crunch, but still a great figure. So let's try to pose. Okay, Batman collapse with the chain Robin. So okay guys, one thing I've noticed about the Robin is this is where you can place his chains. It's movable. See, it's movable. See, you can see this one is the one I'm talking about. So let's place the chain. Let's place the chain on him, and so it's on the neck. It's on the neck part. Okay, my hands are big. I cannot almost fit this. Okay, just okay, sorry for taking so long to place the chain. Okay, it's taking me so long. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna just have to bring it down a little bit more. Just have to shoot. So I'm not used to wearing this kind of chain. Might broke it, so I'll be very careful. Okay. I'm sorry I'm taking so long to place his chains. So okay guys, I finally put the chain onto Robin's neck and to the Batman who loves hands. Okay, as you can see, and I've managed to adjust the Robin speed so that you don't have to use the base stand. See? So it will be great if you can collect all the 3 Robins so that you can actually be displaying all the 3, although I would love to collect all the 3 variants, but I still have to find the other 2. I'm having a hard time finding them because the Robins are not available. These Robin Crows or Robin R22 are not available in some store. Okay, now we go to the Batman. Okay guys, so now guys, we finally arrived to the last figure of the Merciless wave set. So we got the Batman. So his only accessories are 2X, of course, the one he uses in the comics, just like the box of the box. Okay, let's focus it a little bit. Okay, there you go. You see, he's carrying his 2X. So okay, let's talk about this Batman. So, let's see how well detailed he is and how articulated he is. Okay, the abs. Okay, he can roll his abs just like the infected Superman. Okay, his gloves. Okay, there it goes. There's the spike, or what's called, or what the ninja calls. I forgot. So comment guys if you know it. One thing I like about this is the Batman logo on his chest. Alright. Okay. The clothing. Okay. Tattered clothing. Okay. You can see some ripped clothes. Okay. Very detailed ripped clothes. I thought it was a paint problem, but I noticed that it was the design of the toy. Okay, see there. There's also the rip cloth. Okay, and from the other the left leg also rip cloth. Okay, the boots. Okay, let's talk about the boots. Okay, nice. You can bend it like this, and there you go. Okay, the belt, Batman's belt. Okay, very colorful. The black and yellow, and this cape. Okay, So plastic is just waving to the right way. Okay, the head. Okay, Batman's head. This is one that I don't like about this figure. His head. Okay, when he's moving his head, comes with the neck, so not much of an articulation, but still the figure is still great. Okay, the arms. Let's move. You can see you can move. This is how high. Oops, sorry. This is how high Batman can move his arm, can raise his arms, I mean. Okay, the split. Okay, this is probably the one who can split the most. Okay, see. Okay, there you go. You can see his split. Okay, let's put his axe on. Let's try his axe on. Let's place his axe. One thing about this figure, or the McFarlane figures, is that the what you call this? The weapons of the figures are hard to place because it's still new. Maybe it's because it's still new. Okay, let me show you the axe. See, it is well detailed here. You can see the marks of the other weapon. You smack down this weapon. Also this one, as you can see. Okay, with some X. Very detailed one. I gotta place this so we can pose Batman in a nice way. Okay, one thing about Batman, this figure, no base stand, no plate stand, but just base stand, just like the rest of the figure here. Okay, now I'm having a hard time. Okay, placing him. Okay, there we go. There we have it. Okay, one thing about the hand, the articulation of the hand is this one. Okay, great. Nice, you can move it like this. Okay, sideways. You can move Batman. Okay. I think it's ready to fight, huh? Ready to fight the Batman laps. Okay. Very nice. You can stand on its own. See, no base needed. Okay. So overall, these figures are 10 of 10 for me. 10 of 10 for me. Alright. Includes the Merciless Bob, the probably the greatest Build-A-Figure Bob McFarlane has built so far. The Merciless Bob. Okay. The Infected Superman, which is also great. Okay, one thing about this, I should have placed the Infected Superman on the plate stand. See, and of course the Robin Earth 22 and the Batman who laps. Okay, this is a great family picture. Yes, from the Robin who laps to the Batman who laps to Superman to the Merciless. Great set of toys, not that expensive, but it's cheaper, and it sure is worth your money. The figures are worth it. Okay guys, so guess this is it. So until next vlog, so maybe this week is a McFarlane week, because my pre-order for Red Hood and Nightwing is coming, so stay tuned for it. And also the Red Death and the Flash, they'll be coming in. Plus I also have the other McFarlane figures which I still need to review. The Devastator, the Murder Machine, the Grim Knight, what you call this, the Green Lantern, that's Batman, and of course Deathstroke. I still do have Deathstroke, so watch for it, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified when I have a new vlog for my channel. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, just thumbs up and share it with your friends, family and loved ones. Okay, so if you have time, you have money, go collect them all. This is a great collection, I'm saying. 10 out of 10 for me. So okay, which one among the figures my favorite? Of course not including the Merciless. I guess, whoops, sorry about that. I guess I'll be saying the, okay, I'm a big Batman fan, although I don't like the articulation of the leg, but still it's a great figure for me. The Batman laps, okay, the detailed teeth and tongue, the suit. I'm choosing them all. Robin, nice, detailed face, detailed suit. Superman, the Infected. I'm choosing them all. I love them all. I like them all. I'm not choosing just anyone. If I'm gonna have to buy them, I'm gonna buy them all. And I need to collect the other two Robin variants. So maybe in my next vlog you'll see me having the other two variants of the Robin Earth 22. So that's it, guys. I love all these figures. So how about you? Comment down below who's your favorite. So goodbye now, guys. Okay, as the saying goes, so I'll be hunting the Robin Crow, the other Robin Crow too, the two other Robin Crow variants. So as this my saying goes, let the toy hunt begins. Da -da 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 -da.